My ladyship, I also beg to mention item number 4. Here I am for the petitioner. I'll be filing my affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents in the course of the day. So I pray that this matter may be listed after a week.
You're going to file affidavit in opposition?
Reply.
Affidavit
In the course of
So
the-
you are for the petitioner?
Yes, in the course of the day I'll be filing.
Mr. Swenson for appearing on behalf of the petitioner and submitted that. How many weeks you need?
If-
How many weeks you need?
I'll just require 1 week, madam.
1 week.
I'll be filing today in the course of the day.
Need 1 week time to file the affidavit in reply against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent side. Prayer allowed, list accordingly. It will be definitely list after 1 week only. No date? is
No
it?
date.
After
No, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship, here the leading counsel is from Delhi, Lordship, Nitin Tital. So, Lordship, I pray that this matter may come up on.
You're for the petitioner?
Yes,
or-
Lordship.
So who is the counsel here? Name is not here. His name is not reflected here?
Lordship, it is not reflected in the cost list, Your Lordship. However, he has filed his Vakalatnama, Lordship.
What is his name?
Nitin Tital.
Nitin?
Nitin Tital.
Nitin Tita.
Yes, Lordship.
You're for the petitioner, he is appearing for the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship. I'm the local counsel, Your Lordship.
Mr. Swenson, the learned counsel for the petition, submitted that the conducting counsel is from Delhi. Conducting counsel, Mr. Nitin Takal, is from Delhi and he needs some time for, and is not in a position to appear before this court for the today, and accordingly paid an adjournment, to which the government side is no objection. Government?
No.
So, I pray that this matter may come up on 3rd of September, Lordship.
Government side, and you're also representing the respond number 3.
Lordship.
Respondent counsel for the respond number 3, there is no objection. List the matter accordingly, 3rd of September.
3rd of September, Lordship.
List accordingly on 3rd of September.
Much obliged, Your Lordship. Lordship, I again beg to mention item number 9 and 10, Your Lordship, on behalf of the respondent, Your Lordship. Here, the leading counsel for the vehicle owner, NK Lukam, is on bereavement, Your Lordship. His name has been reflected in cost list, Your Lordship. NK
And
Lukam.
Likham.
Yes, Lordship. So I
He
pray,
is for the respondent.
yes, Lordship, respondent.
For the petitioner, who is there?
I'm afraid.
You're for the petition. Heard Mr. Swenson, the learned counsel for the petition. The learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. N.K. Likham, the counsel, NK's counsel for the respondent, submitted that he is still under bereavement and accordingly needs an adjournment. Yes, so what is your thing is how long he will be there under bereavement?
Lordship, after 2 weeks, Lordship.
After 2 weeks,
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
It's a matter of 2021, in fact, huh?
Lordship.
Okay, list after 3 weeks.
Obliged, obliged.
Okay.
May I please, my lady? Item number 8.
Yes.
I'm for state respondent, my lady. I have some personal difficulty today, so if it may be listed tomorrow or Monday, if it is convenient for my lady.
Tomorrow list is already there, na? Monday can be fixed? Monday?
Can take out supplementary.
Huh?
We can take out supplementary.
For tomorrow, you want to take supplementary or for Monday?
Any, Monday also might already have been.
Monday can be listed.
Yes, yes.
Swenson, the learning government advocate, submitted that he has some personal difficulty today and paid for an adjournment. List the matter accordingly. On Monday is on 12th.
Yes.
12th.
Bless.
Sorry.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2 and 3. It is an analogous matter, Lordship. I have received a copy of the recast petition only this morning, Lordship. Lordship, I pray, I may
You're
be
appearing for the respondent.
in item number 2, WPC 192, I'm
Yes.
for the respondent number 4.
Respond
In
number
item number 3, I am for the petitioner, Lordship.
here you are for the petitioner.
Lordship.
And you are for?
My lord, in item number 2, I'm for the petitioner, and in item number 3, I'm for respond number 4.
Item 3, you're for respond number 4.
Yes.
Same order. Hobe. In 2, item number 2, the Mr. Taka
Mr. V. Koza, Lordship.
G Koja is for the respondent number 4.
4.
And in item number 3, he is for the petition.
Petitioner, Lordship.
And in item number 2, MS, you are MS?
Miss Lucino,
MS Lucino is for, you are for the
for the
petitioner,
petitioner in item number 2, and in item number 3, I'm for respondent number 4.
for respond number 4. ठीक है sir? So basically you prayed adjournment. You don't
Lordship,
have any
Lordship.
objection?
Lordship, since the senior is not available, Lord, I have a prayer, Lordship, if it can come up on the second week of September, then my senior will be out of session for the next
Next week.
2-3 weeks. So if it can come up.
Second week of September, you want any date fixed or after 3 weeks it will do then?
Second week of September, my
Second
lord,
week
that
of
will do.
List accordingly, those 2 matters and second week of September.
Highly obliged.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7 from the hearings list. Lordship, if the matter can come up after 2 weeks, my senior is indisposed.
Is indisposed.
Yes,
You're for the appellant.
yes, we are for the appellant.
With the consent of the other city, learned counsel for the appellant appearing on behalf of, he is. Your
Nuksum
co-
Tila.
Your senior counsel is
Nuksum Tila.
Nuksum Tila. And submitted that he is indisposed and hence prayed for an adjournment. Prayer allowed. List accordingly went after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
List after 2 weeks.
Bless Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship.
Mm.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11.
Mm.
I may bring on behalf of my senior Gauhati. Your Lordship, as my senior is in this post, I pray that this matter come after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Your senior is indisposed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Government side has no objection.
Lord.
Government advocate raised no objection. Is submitted that Mr. Gauhati, he is in indisposed condition.
Yes, Your Lordship, he's in this post.
He is indisposed.
Your Lordship,
So-
there is an interim order.
Interim order was there.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Interim be continued till next date of listing. And when in 2 weeks you need or
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
list after 2 weeks.
Obliged. Obliged. Your Lordship.
For motion, item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, this application is being filed under section 483 of the BNSS Act, Your Lordship, for grant of bail to the petitioner, Your Lordship. The brief of the case is that on the basis of a suo motu complaint dated 20/12/2023, and during the course of investigation, the investigating agency conducted a raid on 21/03/2024 at the petitioner's residence in the middle of the night. Since allegedly one of the co-accused in this present case has named him as an accomplice. So thereafter, he was arrested on 22/03/2024 and was booked under section 28, Redwood section 27A NDPS Act, Your Lordship, corresponding to special case number 63 of 2023. And presently the petitioner is in judicial custody in District Jail, Kohima. Your Lordship, the petitioner is a businessman by profession. He deals with interstate, like from Manipur, he will procure some assorted goods and sell in Dimapur area. And also he supplies buffalo to some weekly markets. So in no way he is connected in any illicit trafficking. And even during the night of the raid, nothing was recovered from his possession or from any place that he has exclusive control. And even in the FIR, he has not been named as one of the accused. Surprisingly, he has been booked under these 2 sections. Previously, the petitioner has approached the learners sessions court for grant of on 2 occasions he has approached. First, on medical ground because he had some respiratory ailments, so he approached. However, it was denied. And during due to climate change and all those, he is helped recover a little bit. And thereafter, he approached the learners sessions judge by filing another bail application on the ground that there is no prima facie case against him, and that amongst other grounds, but it was also rejected, Your Lordship. So having no other option, I filed this petition, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Here, I don't know regarding some maintainability, whether it should be filed under in view of the other class by this Itanagar bench in Sanjit Kaur appellant versus state of
You are,
AP.
you were saying that it's not maintainable.
Yes, whether
On
it should
what
be
ground?
on the section, relevant section, whether it should be filed under 438. I mean 439.
It is 439, I think. 483 means 439.
Yes.
Yes.
Under the new law.
Now under the BNSS. right?
Yes, there's a standing order, so I just try to assist the.
No, just standing order, give us. What is the standing order?
Relevant part is last page, paragraph 12.
Paragraph 12.
12, yes.
Hmm.
So this is pertaining to 438.
Now see, it's okay, but the question is that you just take a copy from me. You just give us a copy.
Yes, yes.
But
Otherwise.
there are
I
two
think
aspects. In fact, what is happening,
Yes,
though the IPC sections or whatever the whole act is, if cases suppose registered
yes,
under say IPC and the NDPS too is different.
Yes.
Suppose in IPC also, so case will run through in the IPC sections only.
yes,
But the question is that the petition you have filed
yes,
is a new petition, suppose.
yes,
So now you are seeking pre-arrest bail or suppose 439 also.
yes,
So this will follow the petition will be under BNSS
yes,
because you are approaching the court under BNSS,
yes,
not under CRPC.
yes.
That is the main, obviously there are debatable things that are going on now. We have also now, you have also placed this one. But the question is that IPC sections, etc. will be there only.
Yes,
Even if in evidence also that may be applied.
yes.
But the section BNSS will be applied as because this petition is new after 1/7. That is the thing. In fact, it will not hamper anyway because it is under, because in principle seat what are going on,
Yes.
I'll just tell you. Some applications are filing in 438 or 439. Those way we are asking it to file an IA, interlocutory application, so that it can be read as under BNSS.
Okay.
So this kind of thing is going on in the principal seat, but you have submitted this one. I'll take this one copy or
Yes.
just provide as a copy or I'll take a copy.
Yes, you, my lady can take that. I just brought it to the notice of the court. Otherwise, if my.
Okay then.
lady seems
I
comfortable,
mean, there are debates in the various high courts also, this kind of things are going on, in fact.
yes,
But in reality, I mean, it can be short out. This
Yes.
doesn't matter.
Yes.
It is a file on the BNSS. It's okay. We can be accepted.
yes,
But obviously, yesterday also one matter was there.
yes,
One advocate, she came from Gauhati, in fact. Same situation is there. She
Okay.
also filed in 439 or 438 or, oh no, sorry, 482.
yes.
Which is now 528, I think. So that is the one. But we are expecting, I mean, accepting the petitions somewhere. We are directing the IA to file IA. So it can be accepted. It's okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now, otherwise, what is the submission?
Notice may be issued.
Mm.
Otherwise, they have come up with a default. They've
Not
taken a-
exactly
not
default,
default,
not
not
exactly default,
Not-
because he is in.
But one
custody since-
statement was made as regard to defaults.
Yes, my submission,
Otherwise-
Your Honor, the interplay of section 27A and section 37 of the NDPS Act.
Uh-huh.
I'm saying that since there's no evidence that I am illicit, I'm trafficking, doing some illicit trafficking or harboring people. So if that does not come into play in this case, prima facie that is not there. So I'm saying that if it does not come into play, section 37, the restriction of 37, section 37 does not come into play. And as such, the petitioner will have a right to get a default bail. That is just my submission, Your Honor. Because 90 days is already lapsed. Now he's under judicial custody for more than 130 days. That is my submission.
So we can call for a case diary
Oh, yes.
at present.
Yes.
Now, and they said his case is not under 27A because 27A is the most probably where 37 will be applicable. So we'll call for the case diary.
Yes, 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 yes.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Now also heard Mr. So-and-so, the learned PP, State of Nagaland. It is submitted by Mr. So-and-so that the present petitioner, the present petition has been filed under section so-and-so in connection with so-and-so. And he further submitted that the present accused petitioner is in custody since 22/3/2024. Though prima facie there is no case against the present petitioner. Further, he submitted that he got arrested in connection with this case only on the basis of the statement made by the co-accused, and he is not an FIR name accused. In this context, Mr. So-and-so PP, learned PP, submitted that case diary will be required to know the actual fact of the case. Accordingly, let the case diary be called for. When can be fixed? It can be.
After 2 weeks.
Your Worship, 1 week may be enough, Your Worship, because all the records are within 2 kilometers as the crow flies here.
No, it's not about that. We
So
have some.
endeavors may be made, Your Worship, within a week. If not, then
Yes.
Next week we have some holidays, so I don't know whether we just
Then
put one.
and effort
we
may
can
be
make
made.
it on, if it is so, then, because one thing is there, because it is a Independence Day on 15th August is
Yes.
there. So 15th August from the day before 15 August and day after 15 August, there may be some difficulty on the police investigation team also to produce the case diary. So let it be just immediately on 19th will go.
19 is also a
19th is also
holiday.
holiday.
Pardon?
20.
20?
22nd.
22nd, I-
Since, we have a bar program on 20. And
You have a bar program?
Yes.
What
then
kind of
21
program?
general-
Election?
General body meeting. Sorry,
General
general
body
body
meeting.
meeting. Yes. Then 21 is usually we have a division bench.
bench.
So most convenient with 22. If
22nd.
in the company, yes.
In bar meeting, bar executive meeting of bar,
Yes.
executive body.
General,
Yes, general body meeting.
General body. 22nd.
Much obliged.
For orders, item number 6.
Yes.
May
Yes.
it please your lordship.
Mm.
Lordship, the service of notice have been completed. However,
All
the report-
services completed?
yes, lordship. On the on respondent number 2.
No, as per office note dated 7/8/2024, service was awaited, but how can you say the service is completed? Is there in other note, any other? I exactly don't know. State is the one, respond number
Yes.
1.
Yes.
One, two, three goes here. Shabnam, what is 1, 2, 3? You mentioned is respond number 3 and 4. Where is 1 and 2?
Lordship, there was some
Is
typo
it
error.
typographical mistake? Anyway, the state is 1.
Yes,
The
lordship.
other one is Mr. So-and-so, he is the private respondent.
Yes, lordship.
Is it the services completed? Because one office note is there, wherein it is on 7/8, it is a return service report still awaited for respond number 2. So it's still awaited, I think.
Yes, lordship.
Let's await for another 1 week or 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Okay. Hard MS so-and-so, office note dated 7/8/2024, it reveals that the service is still awaited for the respond number 2. Let the service be awaited let the service be awaited till next date of listing. List accordingly after 2 weeks. It will be listed after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, lordship.